All right, I got the CHNADKS Geiger counter. This is a nuclear radiation detector, and this was sent to me for evaluation purposes so that I can show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. I'm going to show you what you get with this. Then we'll flip the camera around and we'll show you the settings and what it looks like on the screen and everything. But first, let me show you what you get with this. It comes in a really nice zippered case right here. This thing's very sharp. Obviously, you're going to get a set of instructions with it, which I suggest you read through. And there's some technical data in there for the product that you may want to read through, such as the measurement range of the unit, the accuracy range, just to make sure that this is the right unit for you. We have a little, like a wrist strap on here that you can loop through and turn into a wrist strap if you want to carry this on your wrist. The packaging itself is very nice. This is a rechargeable device. You can recharge it right here on the bottom. And it comes with a USB Type-C cable. It's a Type-C charger on here. The case is really nice. It's got some nice foam packaging. The machine fits in there perfectly and tightly. Really nice case on here too. Very nice. So here's the machine itself. You can see this is a handheld device. And let me put it up next to a bottle of water here so you can get a good idea of the size of this unit. It's not very big at all. It has a clip on the back if you want to clip it onto your shirt or whatever. And there's also a little loop on here. Little hook. According to the literature, this is a portable nuclear radiation detector that is mainly used for monitoring X, beta, and gamma rays. I'm not an expert on this. I'm just telling you what the literature says on here, and then we'll test it out. It's a nice little protector on the screen too. We'll take that off. The sensor for this unit, if I'm looking at the screen, it's on the right side right here. So you're likely to get a better reading when you're monitoring with the right side of the unit. You can actually pull this off right here, and you can see the sensor itself inside of there. Press and long hold this. You can hear the audible alarm. We got two speakers right here. So this thing's pretty simple to use. The screen reading is on the front here. It's an LCD screen. When you want to go into the settings, you just press any of these buttons. Once you're in there, you've got a left and a right button right here. So for instance, we are on the measure setting right now. So if we wanted to go over here to the schedule, we can see that we have a delay, measurement. You can go and change the options by using the left right buttons. And when you go back up to the return and hit the top button, it takes you back to the menu. Go to the next one. We have records. If we had any records, they would appear right there. It has an alarm setting on here. And you can change the over limit alarm on there and the total dose alarm if you wanted to. The units, where it's set to, I think that is, not an expert, but I think that's microsieverts right now. And if you wanted to go down here, you could change this to micro grays, I believe. And then we have a clock on here, and we can set the year, month, and day. And there you go. And when you want to shut it off, you just press and long hold the button right here, and it will shut down and give you an audible alarm. So if you're looking for a handheld rechargeable LED screen radiation detector for your home or your field of work, check out this one.